I don't even know how to start this video. Somebody commented on my bee video that bats are 20% of the Earth's mammal species. And I was like, I can think of like 3 bats total. So I Googled and things got very, very complicated. So this is based on number of species, not the volume of the animal. But their Chiroptera, which I've never heard of that word before today, they're 22.2%, which that's a lot of species. There are over 1,400 species of bats, which if you offered me $1 million to name 10, I think I would lose. Rodents are over 40% of species of mammals are rodents. There are almost 2,300 species of rodents, which is crazy. Also, I thought a bat was a rodent for some reason. I have no idea why. I do know why. They look rodent-y. But here's where things start to go off the rails. Number 3 is Eulipotyphla, which is like hedgehogs and shrews. What I would have put this much farther down. But after the top 2, the numbers start to get, they're all relatively similar. I could name a good number of primates, and I could name like 5 of these, I think. Maybe because I live somewhere where they're not, but hold on, I'm back. That's moles? I thought moles were rodents. Lord, okay, this means truly fat and blind, which makes sense actually for moles. And they eat mostly insects, but not all of them eat only insects, which that's confusing. And rodents have teeth that grow continuously. Like, did you ever have a hamster and you had to give it something to teeth on? Its teeth would like grow crazy. So that's the difference, I guess. And primates, which we're familiar with. This one, hooved mammals. So goats, camels, pigs, cow, deer, and hippos and stuff. And then I saw this. How did I get here? I don't remember. But based on DNA, they said dolphins belong in this category. And their other category, which is, I don't remember. It's like toothed something. Heavens to Betsy. Toothed whale. Also, I think this is funny, that meaning whale or a sea monster. And if you know how I feel about whales, that feels accurate. Anyway, I lost my train of thought. Genetic research indicates that hippos are closely related to whales and porpoises and dolphins. I don't know what's going on. But then I was like, that doesn't mean that because there are the most species that there are the most volume. So I went to see what the most abundant mammal is, which is actually us. Woo! With the close runner-ups being rodents, which makes sense. But then I accidentally saw this, which stressed me out. There are roughly 57 billion nematodes, which I feel like is from Doug, microscopic roundworms for every human. 57 billion for every human. Every single human. And ignoring bacteria, because that's not animals, but there's a quadrillion. Cyclothone, deep sea dwelling fish, most abundant fish on Earth. Have you ever heard of that fish? I haven't. Anyway, it's a bristlemouth fish, and there are up to a quadrillion, which is 1 million billion, which is a number my brain cannot even conceive of on Earth. And I'm sorry, but it's really not, because have I ever heard of this before in my life until today? I don't think so. Honestly, that was like 10% of the rabbit hole I went down, but Instagram gets mad at me if my videos are more than 3 minutes, so I'll just have to make another video.